Redmi AirDots from Xiaomi. My name is Andrew, of course, and today we have another unboxing, viewing and testing of this product. Yep, the brand new AirDots. We have Bluetooth 5, some Chinese, that's nice, and let's see what we have into the box. You know all about these AirDots. They are brand new, they sound nice, they say. I will find out, of course. So we have into the box some manual, some pads, no cable, protection, beautiful case. Some specs in the case: we have 5V 100 milliamps, 5V 500 milliamps, and 5V 150 milliamps. Everything is 5V. We have a micro USB port for charging. And there you are. Take out and that. Let's see. Put it again inside. See if they are going to charge. Now for connecting, go to your Bluetooth settings. Take 1 and 2 out. It's getting white. Can scan it. Redmi AirDots R. Connecting. And that was all about connecting your AirDots. Okay, after pairing successfully, let's try the music to see how loud and great our sounds. Put it to eye ear and let's play some music. Hit it, baby. Whoa, whoa, oh my god, I didn't believe that. Oh, whoa, the bass is so beautiful, so loud. My god, wow, I'm speechless, guys. I didn't expect for a 20 euros Xiaomi AirDots, Redmi AirDots to sound so great. Oh, if I can, well, I will put some music from YouTube, free music. Whoa, they're unbelievable. I don't believe it. And they cost only 20 euros. Galaxy Pads, take that. Yeah. Wow. I love it. Well, guys, it's time to hear and buy on the music. I hope you can hear what I'm hearing. They sound so great to my ears. Of course, now the sound is different. But in my ears, it's unbelievable. I didn't expect to be so great. Wow. Definitely it will be hard to hear the bass, everything, the sound, all that is coming out from these parts. Unbelievable. Only for not even 20 years. I'm I purchased it only for 17, 18 euros. Wow, it's unbelievable. Definitely thumbs up guys, and I hope the battery to last long, and I'm sure it will be. Wow, great job Xiaomi, great job. And of course the pads are staying to my ears. I'm moving my head left and right and they are not going anywhere. You can adjust them by changing these three sizes, what is suitable for you. And of course the Bluetooth 5, it helps. I was 10 meters away and the sound was crystal with no problem. Of course with no objects between the smartphone and the AirDots. Well guys, that was all about this Xiaomi Redmi AirDots. You have already understand how much I have loved this product. The sound, the bass, the quality. It's great for not even 20 euros. To have this quality of a sound to your ear, you need to take more money out of your pocket. And with that product, you are only paying 20 euros. Thumbs up Xiaomi. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. If you need something like that into your luggage, traveling or walking or running or biking, just buy it. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because I'm Andrew, I buy this product and I'm telling you my honest opinion. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.